This is the Maryland Legislative Black Caucus. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Remember that. Jill P. Carter, McFadden, yeah, Glenn. I've been doing this for 20 years and none of y'all would say nothing. Now I got a new leadership that's sitting in the seats and they saying something. McCaskill is saying something. Sean Stinnett is saying something. Kaylin Young is saying something. So you people that have been in office for 20 years, we getting ready to change the dynamics of your representation. The Maryland Black Caucus, y'all held accountable. Do blacks got rights in which white America respects? Because a documentary about you and how you represent us. I got tired of chasing my tail. Now I'm gonna put the spotlight on you. That's the Maryland Legislative Black Caucus. We talking about right to property. Most of y'all is lawyers, so y'all already know about this. Malcolm Ruff, Delegate Stephanie Smith. Yeah. That's 1402 Lochner, 2010. Long before I got locked up in 2011, I was talking about my right to property. And it's notarized, all right? Dwayne G. Davis, Sr., all right? United States Constitution, due process, equal protections under the law. Black and Hispanics and poor whites have no rights in which Scott Schellenberger respects, all right? Y'all created a criminal enterprise in Baltimore County. That's Sheriff Fisher. Y'all created a criminal enterprise in Baltimore County. This is Malcolm Ruff, and when Malcolm Ruff was at Gilman, I've been graduating classes since Gilman, all right? Malcolm Ruff was at the University of Baltimore Law School when I spoke to him in the alley, yeah. And this is Malcolm Ruff when he was working for State's Attorney Scott Schellenberger in Baltimore County, interning. That's a bus. And this is the Maryland Citizens for the Arts. Like I said, Embry was the keynote speaker last year. And we talking about Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? That's me, P.O. Box 38. And that's the Department of Justice, Patrick Fitzgerald. So I'm giving you Harriet Tubman, all right? That's Dr. Karson's. That's Dr. Karson's. That's Mr. Fields, Baltimore County. Like I said, I filed a $250 million lawsuit against the state. And it's right here. A writ of mandamus. That's Governor O'Malley, that's Scott Schellenberger, Greg Bernstein, and Chief Johnson. Like I said, I was kidnapped. That's the United States Congress, the Judiciary Committee. So if I don't get justice in Maryland, we going to the Supreme Court. That's Dr. K and Kwesi Mfume. That's Kwesi Mfume, and that's Shorty. You feel me? That's me, the king of talking shit, and I can back it up. We're gonna play the tapes like Watergate. You feel me? We're gonna play the tapes for Dr. K. It's a Harriet Tubman moment. I'd free a lot more if you knew you were slaves. So Delegate Cardens, you got my material. I handed it to you and I put it on film when I gave it to you. That's my intellectual property. Delegate Pasteur, you my big sister, so I expect you to stand up for your little brother. Senator Hellman, yeah, like I said, making a movie ain't against the law. I'm showing how you don't represent us, how you protecting this positions of power. An evening with the delegates, an evening with Shorty. Return my property and defend my rights.